Yeah, that's my or riot right now. What the fuck? Kane. Kane is my or riot. Can he go away, please? Is there anything worse? Like, when he came back with that mask, Danny, I actually made my own Kane mask out of cardboard. I was wearing it to work, to school. I take
No,
online classes. Yeah, I was, Danny. I was wearing it everywhere. I said, I'm Kane. I was doing the Kane voice, which is the overacting, my nose looks huge in this mask voice. And Danny, I even made a wig. Oh, I was so cool looking. So Danny, then... I mean, everyone's happy. The mask is back. And then they're like, wait, it's still Kane under the mask? This sucks again.
Well, you're so bitter about the new Kane, and I'm not a fan of him either, but you're bitter about it because it's not the Kane you wanted. But I don't know that his involvement with this feud is as bad.
Oh, it's bad.
I don't know. I think
What?
if it was two other people besides CM Punk and Daniel Bryan,
What?
we wouldn't see it that way. But the
Shut
thing
up.
is because it's Punk and Bryan, we know they'll have a great match by themselves.
Yeah.
So we just want to see that every time. Right. But if this was two other guys who've already had like 6 matches, and we go, well, they're throwing in Kane, it's not so bad. It's not the worst.
Yeah, Danny, I know. What the hell is your point? You're basically telling me I'm mad because Kane's getting involved in the greatest match ever, which is what I said. I know. Sure, let Kane get involved in Big Show Cena all he wants because I'm not going to care anyway. But these are fucking... We're about to do commentary on the greatest match of all time, which is Punk vs. Bryan at Over the Limit. I called it, by the way. Danny, am I not the wrestling connoisseur or something? And yes, Danny...
You did give it the number 8 spot.
And yeah, Danny, that doesn't mean I eat meat. Who's this guy? The fake laugh and bad joke. Long necks and redneck. But yeah, Danny, anyways, I am the wrestling carnivore, and I called the Big Show heel turn.
That does mean you eat meat.
I called that being the greatest match of all time when everyone else said it would be an AJ triple threat. Now they're putting...
Did people say that?
I said that too. I'm wrong just as much as I'm right. Danny, I'll make the right call, and then if you listen to the audio a little longer, I'll ruin it by adding the worst fucking prediction ever. And then Funkasaurus is going to come down from the ceiling. And oh man, it's going to be crazy. But Danny, yes, you're right. That's why I'm mad, because it's Punk and Bryan, who I can watch wrestle all night. The whole world would never complain ever about a match with them. And then they put in the least talented guy I've ever seen.